Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit score monitoring with Credit Karma, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable credit score monitoring with Credit Karma, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Credit Karma website by typing www.creditkarma.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. If you already have an account, click on the Login option instead. For new users, provide your email address and create a secure password. Next, enter your personal information as prompted, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information helps verify your identity to keep your account secure. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. Credit Karma will guide you through a verification process. Follow the on-screen prompts to answer security questions that help confirm your identity. Once verified, you'll be taken to your Credit Karma dashboard. Here, you will see your credit score and relevant information. To enable monitoring, look for the Credit Score Monitor section on your dashboard. Click on the Activate Monitoring button to start the process. Credit Karma will then explain the benefits of credit score monitoring. Read through this information carefully and click Get Started when ready. You may receive notifications about changes to your credit score or report. These notifications help you stay informed about any important changes. Once monitoring is activated, you can access your credit score anytime. Regularly check your account for updates and alerts about your credit status. This proactive approach will help you manage your credit effectively. Now you're set up for ongoing credit score monitoring with Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.